Hey guys, it's Sam. So today I am just going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, because just thought I'd inform you guys on what's going on in my life, all that stuff, in case anyone cares. I'm gonna be putting this Too Faced Hangover. Okay, I thought it was Too Faced Hangover RX. Is it RX or is it just X? I would like to know. But I'm gonna be putting this on my face while I talk. So, yes, update. What has been going on in the life of Samantha? So, I just finished finals, or shall I say failed finals. This term, rough. Next term, rough. School, rough. I am just so lost. If any of you guys are in college, I want to know what your guys' majors are, because I am lost and confused. I want to do something. I'm in engineering right now, but I wanted to do something like with design. So I want to do architecture, but then I also want to do like design manufacturing, product manufacturing, design engineering. But my school doesn't offer that, so I might have to switch schools, so that's scary. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do. I want to know what you guys want to do with your life. Inspire me, if it's at all possible. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, which smells like crap. I don't know why. Oh, it smells like so bad. I really don't like it. Is this too dark? I got this for me over the summer, so it might be too dark for me, but we're gonna work with what we got. Okay, that's not like too... Okay, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, isn't it? No, it's not. No, it's not. So this semester I was in Calc 2 for the second time, because yeah, I already failed it the first time last semester and I had to retake it. And this semester I still did not do well, but I passed, so I'm gonna give myself credit where credit is due, a little pat on the back. It was living hell, to be quite honest with you. It was not fun at all, but I'm just glad it's over, and now I have to move on to Calc 3, and then after that Calc 4, so yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this foundation looks pretty, but I like remember hating it, so now I'm confused as to why I hate it. I feel like every makeup I try out, I like hate it first. I don't know if you guys are done with finals yet. My finals finished last week, because Michigan State finishes earlier than some colleges I know. Good and bad. Good because I get to get out of that place faster, but bad because I don't have as much time to study. Yeah, I also was in CSE, which I put hours of hard work and dedication into, and literally got a 55% on the final. Don't know how it happened. Well, I do know how it happened. That class is hard as crap. I did pretty well on the first exam. I got like an 80%, and then I went down to a 55. And I was ticked because I have been working my booty off for that class. So, but I guess that's college, you know. Whatever, try my best, move on. I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer, in case you want to know. I don't know what, I think it's in porcelain or something. Porcelain. Yep. Again, the Cosmetics Love is a foundation brush. This brush was shedding on me like right when I started using it, but no, it's fine. Also, I'm in a really talkative mood today, which is why I'm doing this video, and I'm never in a talkative mood. I drank coffee before this. I need to calm down, take a breather, but I'm hyped up on freaking coffee right now. Where's my powder? Oh, it's all the way over there. Okay. So, finished blending that bad boy out. Taking the Airspun loose face powder and just... Oh shoot, wow, that is really messy. So yes, college was hard, moral of the story. There's no way I'm graduating after 4 years. I'm already behind, and by the looks of it, I'm not gonna catch up. So that's cool, gotta spend money that I don't have on an education that I don't really want. Well, I lied about that. I do want an education. I just don't... I don't know what I want. I'm just confused. But I'm just sticking with engineering because I want something math but also artsy. So if you guys have any ideas in that, let me know. And I'm thinking about transferring to Grand Valley State University, which is in Michigan still. It's in like the Grand Rapids area, so I might be doing that, but we just don't know yet. So very confused. But I got time. I can get a degree when I'm 65 if I really want to. So Not sure what I'm gonna do between now and being 65, but so much to process. I'm just glad school's over, finally on winter break, which I know is gonna fly by, and then I'm gonna be at school next thing I know, because that's how it always works. Going to be taking, my dog is barking because I think my dad is home, my Lorac Pro contour palette. I always say kit, but I don't think that's the name of it. And bronze up my cheeks. Going to the mall today to buy some Christmas gifts, which I don't even know if anyone will like the things I got them, but we're gonna see. Sorry about that. My dad called me upstairs because he had a question about my mom's Christmas gift that I bought, which is from my brother, but it's technically from me because I know what my mom wants, and I buy like all of her Christmas gifts from my brother and my dad. I mean, they put in work. My brother doesn't put in any work, but my dad does. If you have brothers or fathers, do they just send you to the store and just say, hey, like, get this for your mom, or pick out something for your mom because they just have no idea what to get her? Because mine do. I'm using the Ulta Velvet Blush in the color Melrose. I think it's very pretty. And I'm going shopping today with my dad for my mom. I am going to do my eyebrows, if I can find my spoolie. Oh, here it is. Okay. So I got the spoolie. Do my eyebrows real fast. I hate doing my eyebrows. Using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I'm not a fan. But I have no other brow products because I don't like doing my brows. This is what we're gonna work with. So I'm really excited to go shopping for Christmas presents today, mainly because the mall we're going to has Chick-fil-A, and I'm a huge fan of Chick-fil-A. Like, that stuff is good. And we don't have really that many Chick-fil-A's in Michigan, so it's always great when we get to go there. Also using NYX Control Freak Brow Gel just to set them in place. I'm going to use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, which my brother actually got me for my birthday, which is a really good gift because he's actually really good at buying gifts. He used to work at JCPenney's, and JCPenney's has like a Sephora in it, so he would get like 25% off of Sephora, so he would get me some good stuff. I think I'm going to use Bueno. I said Bueno Fresco, but it looks like Buon Fresco. This light purple. Right here. Wow, there's a lot of fallout. I'm gonna put this on my crease. I didn't prime my eyelids at all, so this should be interesting. Speaking of my dad and my brother, they are a pain to shop for Christmas because they're always like, oh, I don't want anything, or you don't get me anything, but like, I'm not gonna not get them anything, you know? I have like no idea what to get them any year, so if you guys have like a brother or guys that you have to get presents for, let me know what you guys get because I genuinely never have a clue what to get them. Okay, I'm gonna take Love Letter, this cranberry shade, put it in my outer V area. Very purpley. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of Cypress Umber, I don't know, which is brown, like a dark brown, and I'm gonna add that to the outer crease as well with the Love Letter color because I want it to be purpley but not like crazy magenta. Oh, also, if you guys wanted a hair update, if you checked out my video of me dyeing my hair, it's very crusty, so if you guys have ever dyed yours like a blonde, I would love to know what masks you guys use on your hair because I need something to make it softer because right now it is a pain to brush and I feel like it just breaks all the time, which is kind of sad. Yeah, I'd love to know if you guys use any hair masks or like what you think good hair masks are. That would be great because I need some help with that. I'm just taking all the colors I use, kind of blending it out more. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the color Vermeer, this shimmery pink champagne color, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm just gonna use my finger. Does anyone else's nose run when they do their makeup? Because mine always does, and it's really annoying. Okay, I am going to take this little flat brush and take the color, ooh, should I take the color? I'm gonna take the color Love Letter and put that on the lower lash line. Ooh, it's pretty. Can you see? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Name that commercial because it's on all the freaking time. And of course it's stuck in my head. Also, do you know what would be really cool is if people could get you Christmas gifts? Like, for a Christmas gift, I wish I was a good singer, and then boom, you wake up Christmas morning and you just have the voice of an angel. Now that would be amazing. Because one thing that I wish I was good at singing. And I'm not. Trust me, that does not stop me from singing, but I do suck at it. Okay, so I got that shade all under there, and I'm gonna take the NYX retractable eyeliner in the color brown and put this on my waterline. Okay, got that on the waterline. Also, yesterday it was actually really warm out, which is really nice because it's never warm. I think it wasn't actually warm, it was like 36, but the sun was out, and when the sun is out, it just makes the biggest difference. It is so amazing. I'm going to be putting on this. I'm not going to be putting on this. I'm going to be curling my lashes and putting on L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So yeah, oh, hair update. I think I was in the middle. I get so sidetracked. Oh, there's a lot of fallout. I should have done this makeup eye look first. Oh well, you live and you learn. What was I saying? Oh yeah, my hair. I'm very happy with the color of it, and I'm very glad I did it, but I just don't know if I want to keep it up, you know, because it's a lot of like upkeep and you just constantly have to go in and get your roots touched up, and it's not a good lazy girl hair color, so and it's also not a good broke girl hair color, because the thing that suffered most after me dyeing my hair this color was definitely my bank account. So I'm really not sure of what to do. But yeah, I've been home for a week now. Been doing absolutely nothing, but I've actually been really into true crime videos. I just find them really interesting, and they just really confuse me on how people can be that. I mean, they obviously have problems if they think killing people is okay, but like, some of them are just too disturbing. Like, I click out of them during watching them because I'm like, I just don't understand how people can do this. But who have I been watching? I've been watching this girl. I think her name's Brooke. I know her first name is Brooke. Her last name I think is Highland. Not Highland. Brooke Highland is on Dance Moms. It's Brooke something that starts with a H. And then Bella Fiore, I don't know. Some girl named Bella, which you guys probably know, but I've been watching their videos a lot, and they're just really cool. Not cool, like they're sad, but really interesting. And I've also been watching like the true crime daily videos as well. So if you're into crime videos, check out those people. I think they're very interesting. Becca, champagne pop, cheekbones, nose, inner corners, brow bone. So yeah, that's what I've mainly been doing while I'm home. I am not very good at entertaining myself. I really enjoy making videos and talking to you guys, so this is my entertainment, and I also love doing my makeup and painting. Speaking of painting, I am painting my dad something. I have to talk quietly because he's upstairs. But I am painting him a picture for Christmas, and it can either turn out really good or really bad. We just don't know. I'm going to line my lips with Milani All Natural Lip Liner number 4. This pencil needs sharpening. I left my sharpener at school, so yeah. It's a really pretty color, and then I'm gonna add the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb on top of that. Boom. And we are ready to go shopping at the mall. This is the final makeup look. Yeah, it turned out pretty okay, I think. I don't know. And I already got dressed. My cropped sweater is from Charlotte Russe, and I have jeans on, boyfriend jeans from Hollister. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. This was really all over the place, I know. But I just wanted to catch up with you guys, let you know what's been going on, how school's going, how school's not going. I want to know how your guys' school year is going so far too, what you guys want to do with your life, with your future. So curious. And thank you so much for watching this crazy video, and if you liked it, okay, if you liked it, then be sure to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, then I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.